Okay, this is a short video having to do with Gimp, and this one is going to be about how to get a transparent background. So the first way you can do it is open, new, and make sure that you click on the advanced options. And under here where it says fill with, you choose transparency, okay, and it will open as a transparent document. Now, sometimes beginners forget and they will open a new document and just click OK. And immediately it's going to use your background color as the background color for the image. So another way to get it to be transparent is to right click on the layer, click on Add Alpha Channel, click back on the image and hit your delete button. And that will also give you a transparent background.